everybody, welcome to my channel. So I have a new wig here. I have actually never tried a wig from this company before, so this is going to be a complete review of the company and my hair, of course. But I want to show you all what I got in my packaging. It is pretty standard, however the packaging was very nice. But let's get into the wig that I have here. So I have a super long, super full wig, but this wig, what really stood out to me was the lace. This lace is really nice. I believe this is their Swiss lace. It does come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and I want to get into the construction of this unit. So you do get full lace there in the front. Combs are attached to the wig. You do have an elastic band that is removable, and then we do have adjustable straps. So this wig is constructed really nice. I love when I have the combs and an adjustable strap as well. But of course, I like to start off just trying the wig on before I do anything to it. So this is me trying the wig on straight out of the packaging, and the fit always stands out to me. So the fit of this wig was perfect. And if you can't tell, look how nice this lace looks already. So this is straight out of the packaging. I haven't done anything to it, and the lace looks amazing. You do have a lot of parting space. However, if you did want to do like a part to the side or in the middle, you will need to do a little bit of customization there. But the actual hair feels really nice and full. And again, I'm just really in love with this lace. So after my initial try on, I'm going to go ahead and start to actually put the wig on. So of course you will be needing some type of adhesive for this wig. It is not glueless, so I'm just using like a hairspray to kind of give me like a glueless type of install. So nothing too fancy here. I just installed my wig in pieces. What you will see in just a minute, I did cut the lace in 3 sections, and I put it on in those 3 sections. So very easy. The lace itself did not need much work at all, but I did go in and pluck this wig a little bit more while it was on my head, and everything worked out really nice. I have a larger head, so I'm always worried about the sizing of my wigs, but this wig fit ear to ear amazingly. So definitely get a medium size if you have a larger head, and or like average, and it'll fit very nice. So again, I'm just working in my 3 sections using my hairspray, and I'm just, you know, gluing my wig down.
I'm drowning, baby. You fuck me good and I me good till I'm lazy, baby. Never had no pussy like girls, it got me crazy, baby. It got me crazy, baby. Yeah.
I'm being cold, shit, it got me floating, it got you talking shit. It got me snapping on that ass like I'm owning it. And when I'm gone, you call my phone and say I'm wrong for this. That pussy good, they might catch on to this.
I'm in my zone for this. My ride a song for this. Used to drinking innocent, but I need Patron for this.
Yeah, I gotta be strong for this. My girl, she moaning in, yeah. If you feeling like I'm feeling, just admit it, baby, yeah.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focused. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. I cannot dive in your ocean. Cannot take a dive in your ocean. Cannot take a dive in your ocean.
I need your attention. I know this last nigga felt the mission. You like the shower or the kitchen.
So now that my wig is completely on, I am just going to add some curls. I decided to part this wig in a side part. You have a lot of parting space with this unit, so you can do really any type of style that you'd like. But I'm just adding curls. I did add some layers and a little bit of a bang to this unit. And there's so much hair with this wig, so again, you can do any style that you like, but The hair held my curls very, very well. And lasted all day long. So definitely check them out. As far as the company review, I feel like the company was very attentive to everything that I needed or anything like that. They responded quickly. The hair was shipped to me quickly as well. So I would definitely give a thumbs up to this unit and say they're worth a try. So the links are in the description box below if anyone wants to check them out there. My direct link for this unit is down below as well. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video and enjoyed this wig. Please let me know what you think, and if you've tried this company before, let me know as well. But also be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, of course. And I cannot wait to see you all in the next one.
I'm lying if I said I didn't want it. I can tell by your eyes that you focus. Yeah, come and hop on this pony. I cannot dive in your ocean. Cannot take a dive in your ocean. Cannot take a dive in your ocean. I swear I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, yeah, I'm drowning, baby. You fuck me good and I be good till I'm lazy, baby. Never had no pussy like girls, they got me crazy, babe. It got me crazy, babe. Yeah,
I'm big no shit, it got me floating, it got you talking shit. It got me snapping on that ass like I'm owning it. And when I'm gone, you call my phone and say I'm wrong for this. That pussy good, they might catch on to this.